Everybody, and I welcome you all to the next video on our channel. There's been a general comment from my friends that I'm a very serious person on YouTube. So in today's video I decided to talk about my life experiences and also my journey on YouTube. And also because we're celebrating the first year anniversary on YouTube, there is a giveaway contest. So please watch the video till the end to be a part of the giveaway contest. I'd like to begin by talking about two people who have always been behind the screens, and I'm in the forefront only because of these two people. The first is my mom and the second is my brother. And because these two people remain behind the screens, I would like to bring them before you. I think that the patience and the endurance that I have is what I have learned from my mother. She has been my all-time inspiration. In spite of having learned in a regional medium background school, she is a person who is very fluent in English, and all that I am today is because of my mother. The second person, my brother, is my sharp contrast because he is a person who is technologically far ahead of me, and he is the one who takes care of all the technical necessities that I have. I did my schooling at Zion School in Chennai. So the 12 years of my school is what I spent there. So that is actually the place where I learned who I am and what my potential actually is. I have always been very weak at math. I found it very difficult to work out sums based on differential calculus, integral calculus, algebra, trigonometry. The whole of math basically was extremely terrifying. And that's why I actually joined arts, and also because when I was in school in my second grade, I had received a merit certificate in front of everybody during the assembly session. So yeah, all that inspired me to pick up English as a passion and also as a profession. And at this juncture, I would also like to mention a few of my teachers who have motivated me to study English. They are basically my English teachers. I would like to extend my gratitude to Alfreda ma'am, Josephine ma'am, Annie ma'am, Adeline ma'am, Jairaj sir, Shivu Mohan sir, and Shanti ma'am. My school also played a very important role in shaping the person who I am right now. And this is also one reason why I think school education, or rather quality school education, is of utmost importance in the lives of kids. From then I went on to do my undergraduation from Madras Christian College in Chennai. The professors wanted us to be well informed of everything, so they told us about the NTA NET exam early in our course. We were informed of the exam during our first semester itself, and probably when I was in the second year of my undergraduation, I had started picking up books on NTA NET exam and I had started reading them. So there were a lot of such mentors and tutors who channelized the energy and the potential of students in the right direction. Even today I am in contact with most of my professors and I send my videos to them. A special mention to David Wesley sir, David Abraham sir and Udayraj sir. A small comment on any of my videos, it actually makes my day. So thanks a lot to all of them for having bolstered me and also instilled in me the courage and confidence that is needed. I used to read a lot right from school, but as soon as I joined my undergraduation, I developed a critical and an analytic bent of mind as well. And I'll not say that I was a very goody-goody studious person, but I was in fact also notorious in the sense that I used to bunk classes, and I also had a lot of fun during my college days. And because I had a lot of fun, my mom had put me in a residential setup for my post-graduation. And that is the Sri Sathya Sai Institute of Higher Learning at Anantapur. My teachers there were also perfectionists to the core, that I learned a lot of presentation skills and also a lot of things about literature, language and ELT. Those were the two best years in my life because I realized who I am as a person, and I also got to know about the various things that I'm supposed to do in order to achieve big things in life. And it is also because of the motivation that I received from my teachers that I got the gold medal in my MA course. Currently I am pursuing my PhD from Anna University, and my research supervisor is Professor Srimati Venkat Lakshmi. She is the person who gives me all the freedom that I need in order to pursue my dreams. As far as my journey on YouTube is concerned, it has been slow but steady. And initially when I joined YouTube, I had great expectations that I would have lakh followers in a very little span of time. But then I realized that it is a highly competitive space where there are a lot of YouTubers who post really good content with regard to literature as well as NET exam. But I'm very happy that I have reached the milestone of 1K subscribers. I would like to take this opportunity to thank each of my subscribers for each and every single like, for each and every single comment, and of course for each and every single view as well. And as part of celebrations of the 1K subscribers and also celebrating the 1 year on YouTube, we are hosting a giveaway wherein we'll be giving 5 books to 5 winners, and the 5 books are self-help books by Dale Carnegie. So now let's talk about the 5 books that are there in the giveaway. The first is The Quick and Easy Way to Effective Speaking. This is a book that talks about the art of public speaking and also about the art of conversing with people. He basically gives a number of tips as to how you could be an effective and a better communicator. The second book is How to Enjoy Your Life and Your Job. This is a book where he gives tips about relationships at workplace and also about how you maintain your work. For instance, he talks about how you overcome tiresomeness and so on. The third book is How to Stop Worrying and Start Living. This is a book where he talks about the ill effects of worrying, and my favorite chapter is chapter 17, where he says, if you have lemon, make lemonade. So that's my favorite chapter. The fourth book is How to Win Friends and Influence People. This is a book that talks about relationships, and Dale Carnegie, by way of using a lot of anecdotes and examples, reiterates how you maintain a relationship or how you develop a relationship. The fifth book is How to Develop Self-Confidence and Influence People by Public Speaking. He gives examples of various prominent speakers and the way in which they prepare for their speeches, and he talks about how preparation is the first thing that you need to do, and also he talks about how the more you do, the better you get at public speaking. To participate in the giveaway, all subscribers are requested to fill in the form that is given in the description. So it's basically a Google form. The link is left in the description. Please fill in the form, and all entries will be considered for the giveaway. 5 lucky winners who win in the takeaway will be announced on 18th of October. That's it for this video. Do remember to like, share and subscribe.